Guys, so this is Animal Company again. We are in a private lobby with these goobers.
I have the crowbar, guys. I have the crowbar, guys. I have the crowbar.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a Kruber.
I have a crowbar and a small flashlight because we don't necessarily need a big flashlight if we're not going to sewers.
Dad, how about we got the egg?
I don't want.
If you want to come to sewers, go over by the backpacks.
Can we got the egg? Can we got the egg? Can we got the chicken?
What? I don't like
Can we got...
die every time.
Guys, look, with 2 crowbars, you pretty much have long arms.
Yeah.
Cause the physics in this game are like crazy.
Are you guys ready to go?
Guys, we're like the Suicide Squad, guys.
I'm not gonna join the Suicide Squad. You got that?
Oh,
Alright guys, let's go over to sewers. I got a big flashlight and a
oh my Sigma.
I don't want to go to sewers.
Too bad for you, buddy.
Maybe I can just shoot you with my shotgun. Alright,
Let's
is everyone
go
Coming?
to sewers.
Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
To sewers we shall go.
Oh my gosh.
Nobody.
Guys.
Look like.
Alright, we gotta kill this red.
Red light, green light. I'll kill him. I'll kill him.
And this kid's dead. Okay, you just come back.
He was the singing kid too.
Dead.
That was easy.
Shouldn't we get the pleasures?
Careful. Careful.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Made it fast.
He's dead. Come on, you made it.
He did.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Dead man.
Did you die too?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Which one did you die to?
To eyeballs.
Same, man. I didn't even touch one of the things and you got me. Oh, I think one of them just died.
Come on.
Because their radio got cut off.
Let's go back.
I mean,
Let's go back.
I'm only gonna buy a backpack.
Okay.
And a flashlight. Oh my gosh, I got 2 flashlights. Do you want a flashlight?
No, I don't want to. I have my crowbar. I don't even not dying. I think he's not dying.
I think they're at the maze.
Don't make music. Don't make music. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. I'm dead. Ow.
Oh no.
I'm dead.
Yo, you coming?
I'm dead too.
Y'all come?
Yeah,
We're-
we dead.
We're waiting at lobby.
We dead.
I have an idea. Let's loot. Let's loot right now. I bought a grenade. Let's go to chicken.
Wait for me. Wait for me, bro. Wait for me.
I feel like they moved that.
Wait for me. Wait.
Oh,
Wait for me.
yeah.
Copy?
Yeah, I'm talking.
Copy. We're going to chicken.
Okay, I'll go grab the egg, okay? I'll go grab the egg.
I'll kill him with the grenade.
Okay, do you see him? Yeah. Do you bomb him? I'll go kill him.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, no, I found the egg. I found the egg for you. Bomb him.
Oh, it missed. Wait, for some reason, the egg's over here. Whew.
Kill him. Grab the egg. Come on,
Got the egg. We need something else. I'm getting a plunger. Get something else.
I'll go get Coca-Cola. Come on. Mommy, let's go. Come on, bro. Let's go.
Wait, let me.
You done now?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on.
Let's go.
We got some loot from chicken.
Yeah, we have eggs.
We got golden egg.
Yeah, we have gold. And we got lots of money.
Wait to sell it.
Orange.
Wait to sell it. Wait, I also have stuff in my backpack. No, don't sell the backpack.
You two want to go?
How much
You're not
money?
blowing up. Yes, we got all the coins.
I got 450.
Yeah.
How many company coins do I have?
Let's see.
I have 400.
You got 400?
Uh-huh.
I don't have 400.
Let me
think I
change
can
my
buy this.
color. I want it to be
I think I can buy this one.
a bit more blue.
Did you both die?
Wow.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I died.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, one is alive, one is not.
Hey, we got one.
Yeah.
I guess let's go.
Wait, I need a flashlight. I'll be right back.
Yeah, same. Big ones or small one?
I'm just gonna buy a small one.
Same.
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go, Mana. Let's go, Mom. Come on.
So person is down there alone, we're coming up. We're coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're coming back.
Yeah, we come back too.
He's not alone, he's with me.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have a backpack, just grab and put it in the back.
Put it in the back. Put your finger in the back. Don't move here. It's still you. Let him.
Can I help? I've collected 2 of the little gold clumps, or clusters, whatever they're called. Yeah, put them in your bag. It does not die.
No, buddy.
I don't have a backpack.
Watch out.
I have a bag.
Watch out. You
already have a
have
backpack.
flashlight?
Yeah, mimic.
Coming my
Mimic's
way.
here. Did bro die? No.
Hello?
No, let me get my loot here.
Dead, bro. We dead.
I died.
Me too. I'm dying.
The eye one's
the
hard.
bomb? I'm dying for a bomb, though. You know what this means?
Bro, stand right here.
Okay.
I got him. I got you.
Okay, wait. Let me stand right here. You see this? You see
Uh-huh.
I'm picked
Yeah.
this?
Hello? The teleport.
What? How do you do that?
You just grab your one finger.
Just do your pinky?
Yeah, your pinky.
Or just do this one?
No, don't. Just grab this one. Just do this.
I'm back.
Just do this.
Okay.
Do this.
Yo, hello?
Hi.
I made it back.
He got anti-grav. Bro got anti-grav.
Money, money, money. Money, money, money.
Money's good.
Money, money, green, green, money's honey. Money,
Money, honey, green, money, so honey, money.
Yeah.
Money, money, green, green,
Yeah.
money.
Okay, guys, I think this is the end of this video. So make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Because I try my hardest to make these videos every day.